Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today I'm going to show you how to change colors on the Trello board. For that, we will go to one of our boards. Just tap on your board. I will add some labels on one of these lists from here so that I can show you how to add colors in the cards. So this is a list from here, and these three things are individually a card. So just tap on the card here in the edit option. Tap on open card and you will find this label option here. Tap on label, choose your label color, then cross the label option out from here and your card has changed into a new label. Now to see this card differently, you can also choose a cover for the card you're editing. Just go to your edit option, just tap on board and then go to cover, and here you will find all these colors option and the photo option from here as well. So as we are changing the color of the card, we will choose one of these colors. Just tap on the color, cross this out, and as you can see, I have changed the color of my card and I have also labeled this as a different color. So it's more recognizing than the other cards that I have here. Now I will just edit this to cards as well. Tap on open card, go to cover and select your colors from here. And as you can see in the behind, it has changed into the color I have chosen. Then cross your option from here. And as you can see, this has changed the color of my board. This is how you can easily change your This is how you can easily change your color of the card that you have. This is how can this is how you can easily choose the colors of your cards, and we will see in the next and you will and we will see you in the next video.